Hello guys, once again welcome back to your big guy channel. In this video you will learn something special. Example, if you're doing data entry and you need to type some data like that, serial number, date, name of the employee, date of birth. You see the columns, these columns are adjusting automatically, the width is adjusting. Now for instance, if we write something here the same, serial number, name of the employee, date of joining, or just date of joining. Now you see the columns are not adjusting here itself. So what you need to do, if you want columns to be adjusted itself, simply you need to right click here, view code. Here you will see this general, instead change it to worksheet, and you need to simply type a code here, cells dot entire column, double click also, it's fine, dot Autofit. You can simply select, or from here double click, that's it, and you can close this from here. Now whatever you will type, again the columns will adjust itself. Serial number, date, name of the employee, date of joining, and so on. So whatever you will put, all the columns will adjust itself. So if you're doing this kind of work, simply use this trick. If you like the video, please do subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you next time.